Okay, so JavaScript format, place open brace on new line for control blocks. So this is set to false by default. Let me show you what this looks like if we set it to true. So it pertains to these braces right here. Braces or curly brackets, same thing. So if we trigger a format, this is the style of the code. So it's going to insert that brace or curly bracket on a new line. Now, I find this terrible for a lot of reasons. It makes the code less dense, unnecessarily less dense. So just having a single line for a brace, I don't know, to me it's weird. It doesn't really make the code more readable to me. It makes it worse actually. So, I mean, you might find that the code is more readable to you like that, but to me it's not. So I find it much cleaner, much more elegant to have the opening brace in the same line that it pertains to. So I'm going to leave this setting as false.